Hello. Most people I sport to mention it, they use platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. One friend explains that she uses Instagram daily to keep his toes good year causes abroad. She also commented that TikTok a hell year catches with trend and news in unfun ways. Another person reported that he spent over 2 hours and days on social media, multi watching videos and reply to messages. He mentioned that while he engages in sustain ye feel overwhelmed by the constant flow of information. A student I interviewed comment that social media help congratulate friends on achievement and gossip about a school event. She replied that if fanbase also distracting online soy risk that over 5 billion people use social media globally and the main resort is to kids, interest, wild friends and family.